Na-guilty ka ba kasi alam mo na mali yung ginawa mo at nakasakit ka ng damdamin? At least nagigilty ka pa, nakukonsensya ka pa. Pero alam mo, hindi naman natatapos yung lahat na mag-guilty ka lang. Here are at least 3 things that you can do to help if you feel guilty about something. First, of course, ask God for forgiveness. Second, syempre mag-sorry ka dun sa taong nasaktan mo at kailangan sincere na apology ha. And third but not the least, as equally as important as number 1 and number 2, is to forgive yourself. Madalas kasi, first and second lang tayo, nakakalimutan natin yung third, that we also have to forgive ourselves. Kapag nagawa mo na yung 3 bagay na ito, move forward and don't dwell on it. Remember that we all falter and we all make mistakes. Important thing is to ask for forgiveness, to learn from our mistakes, and make it better next time. Oh, nagigilty ka pa ba?